How to check for app updates on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application. The App Store allows users to browse, download, and install apps onto their Apple devices. It comes pre-installed on iPhones and cannot be deleted, though it can be hidden from the home screen. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Scroll down to the Available Update section and tap on Update All to update all the apps below. Or, you can choose to update the apps individually as well. Tap on Update beside the app you want to update. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. This way, you can check for and update any app you want. Following these steps, you can easily check for app updates on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.